Yeah, these 6 pieces Xsens smoke and carbon monoxide alarm set, which I got from the seller to show you an absolute awesome thing with a lot of features, pretty much all the certifications needed in the meantime in a lot of locations, a lot of convenience here with test button, everything. But if you want to have even more convenience or you have a very high ceiling, then this RC01 remote control can be an awesome helper. And it's even a beautiful one, as you can see, comes even with a mounting tape. And so to activate, we just pull out the plastic here, which is insulating the battery. We have seen the blue light here. When you buy such a set of smoke alarms from Xsens, all the sensors within the box are already interconnected. You don't have to do anything. Of course, highly recommended to test the interconnection, but of course the remote control, which is a separate thing, has to be manually connected. And so this works by pressing 4 times on any of the interconnected sensors, and then after that pressing 2 times on the remote control. So I'm doing that here. Okay, you can see. And now I'm pressing 2 times on the remote control. Okay, I guess it's connected now, so I'm trying to do a test with long pressing here. Okay, I've released the button again. I definitely heard the alarm and it was also visible, so it was super easy to connect here. Just took me 10 seconds. Also super easy to test the alarm. And of course, this button can also be used to silence an alarm. For example, if you do just some heavy cooking, just press this button and it will silence the alarm for 9 minutes. And if you have a real alarm, this remote control can also help to figure out where the alarm is coming from. So because they are interconnected, all the alarms will then emit a loud alarm in case of smoke or fire. But when you press then once during the alarm, all the interconnected alarms will then be paused except from the unit which has detected the smoke or the fire. So just go and search for the device which is still emitting the alarm, and when you are there and you want to clear also this alarm, you can press again. So that's an absolute awesome helper. Actually, not only for high ceilings, but also in any case if you are buying such a smoke and carbon monoxide alarm set from Xsens. Yes, I'm super happy with it. And so if you're interested, you can find the link down in the description of the video, so you can check it out and order one for you if you like. And so hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this remote control, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.